I'm going to show you in this tutorial how you can connect your iPad screen to your monitor, how you can mirror your iPad screen to your monitor. So what you're going to have to do here, I'll just move the camera, I'll switch the camera to the front one. So here I have the iPad, right? Here's the iPad, and I would like to, you're gonna have to download this app on your iPad because I want to make this video short. For that reason, I actually already installed the app on iPad and also on your on this laptop, right? So you're gonna have to install this app right here. That's the name of the app. Install it on Windows, on iPad, and then what you're gonna have to do here is make sure on your Windows you will install this, because if it's on Windows, you're gonna have to install this Apple mobile device support. Otherwise, it's not going to work. And yeah, that's how I fix it. Because it didn't work at first, I forgot to install this from here. And then you're gonna have to install this on your computer. So after you install this on your computer, make sure you connect it via USB-C, at least for iPad, or Apple Lightning, whatever you want. And then if you plug this to your, so I'm gonna have to plug this because it wasn't plugged. So if I plug this like this, USB-C, right, perfect. And now it should work just fine. Okay, as you can see, I have this option here, view device. I'll click on here. And now if it's showing this error, just reopen the application on your iPad, and then you're gonna have to, instead of clicking there, you can also click on here and then start broadcasting, and now it's gonna work 100%. Now if I click on retry here, now it just works. Okay.